Kiki's Magic Emporium. This is by Rolife. This is how everything comes in the box. It comes labeled with bags, and it comes with a big piece of paper in it that labels all the pieces of wood or paper and where they go. Here I'm putting together the first bookshelf. Pretty simple. I use Fabri-Tac glue. I don't use the glue that actually comes in the kit. I like to use my own glue. And for this, I was working at cobwebs, so I was trying to let the glue be really stringy. So this is a filing cabinet, and you can see how you just put them together, glue them, and that's that. I love to age or antique all the paper in almost all of them. So I just take some stamping ink and I use little tweezers, especially if they're little, and I ink all of them. And then when they're really small, I'll use the tweezers to set them down. The sandpaper I love to use to age the actual wood. And then sometimes I'll actually ink on top of that as well. You can see me taking the sandpaper to make all the edges look old, because it's going to go into an old magical, I made mine more of a kind of a witchy magical shop. And you can see how aging that really makes a difference. Now you can put ink over that as well, stamping ink, or you can leave it as is. It's up to you. I did the same thing with this bookshelf as well. And then the same thing with the little papers that I'm going to put on it is I ink those and put them on. I do like to bend them and crinkle them up, because then when you ink them, you'll actually get those lines as well. Some of these things are very tiny, so I do tend to use the tweezers to put them on. And so now I've got a kind of a file cabinet and a bookshelf done. The next thing is another filing cabinet, and this one actually has handles. And all you do for the handles is they give you wire. They give you something to bend the wire around, and you can bend it to any shape you want. In this case, I made it so they weren't the same. They weren't straight, because it was a magical witchy shop. So you can find all of these products, or most of these products, in my TikTok shop if you shop on TikTok, which I think is easy and fantastic. I also have a link. If you click on Outside the Lines and go to my link tree, I have a Rolife link, and that takes you directly to their website. So that would work fantastic as well. And I also have many of these in my Amazon affiliate. So you have many ways to get there. This to me is self-care. This is something that you can start, put in a box when you have had enough, and then start again. Make it fun. Don't feel like you have to do it all in one day. That's not what it's about. Make it about you.